Prevails Nation, it's your boy Scorpio here. Glad to give you another fantastic 15 car blowout. Now, as soon as I get through all these cars that I have, we'll get back to putting you in the driver's seat where you belong, all right? But in the meantime, we gotta get these blowouts, get these cars loose. Anyway, please give me that like and subscribe if you're new. Anyway, I just want to give you guys good racing. Let's see what kind of cars we're racing today. Alright.
Hot Wheel Exotics. There's your Jag. There's your Lotus Esprit. Your Lamborghini Veneno. Your Aston Martin. And your Bugatti. That's right, guys. These are going on the track. And let's meet who else is going on the track too. Alright. You've got your Dodge Challenger drift car. You've got your Audi RS5 Coupe. And you've got your 69 Camaro and a 69 Dodge Charger 500 and an Aston Martin 177. Oh yeah. And you've got your Nissan Skyline GTR BN 3432. And then you've got your 2010 Chevy Impala and the 92 BMW M3. Your 67 Custom Mustang, and your 16 Honda Civic Type R. Oh yeah, and there they are. All right, guys, here we go. The first five that's gonna hit the track: the 2010 Chevy Impala, followed by the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32, followed by the BMW, followed by the 67 Custom Mustang, and last but certainly not least is the 2016 Honda Civic Type R. All right, guys, let's get them on the line. All right, guys, here we go. First five on the line, one and done. Let's get it. Look at this bad boy. The 2010 Chevy Impala takes the first win. Right, time for the second heat of five. Here we go. The Aston Martin 177. Bam. Followed by the 69 Dodge Charger 500. And then we have another Dodge, the Challenger drift car. And then next is the Audi RS Coupe and 69 Camaro. Oh, yeah. Who's going to take it? Oh, snap. Here we go, guys. They're all lined up. Which one of these will come across the line? On your mark. Get set. Dang. And there you have it, guys. The 69 Camaro moves on. Right, and the last five up, there you got the Bugatti Chiron, new color. You got the Aston Martin Vantage, the Lamborghini Veneno, the Lotus Esprit, and the Jaguar Project 7. All right, let's see which one of these is gonna continue. All right, here they are, guys, all lined up and ready to roll. Who's gonna take it? On your mark, get set. And there you go, guys. The Lotus Esprit moves on. All right, guys, this is it. It's the finals already. So here we go. You got your 2010 Chevy Impala, 69 Camaro, and the Lotus Esprit that just joined. And as usual, it's going to be the car that wins 3 times. So whatever car wins 3 races is the crown of the 15 car blowout. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see who's going to take the first win. On your mark, get set. All right. Lotus takes the first win. All right, guys. Lotus with the first win. Moved it over to lane 5 and lane 6 for the 69, and the Impala lane 2. On your mark, yes. And the Lotus takes it again. All right, guys. Lotus with 2 wins in a row. Hopefully 69 Camaro can get something in the Chevy. All right, here we go. All 3 races.
Here you go, guys.
The Lotus Esprit from the Exotics 5-pack, the one with the Bugatti in it, is your winner. Cleaned house out of the cars, man. 15 cars, and here's your top dog right here. So, if you want a fast car, go out there and get the Exotics 5-pack with the Bugatti in it. So anyway, this Lotus Esprit is the king. Until next time, guys, love, peace, and grease, and more importantly, Happy New Year to you guys. Happy New Year 21. All right.